so nervous. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
This is gorgeous.
Are you happy?
I'm so happy. This is, I love how you did
Yes.
that. Yeah, incorporated that in there. Oh, that's stunning. I discovered Venera Caprice because our concierge at our Airbnb had a very helpful welcome packet that included some local artists, and I was immediately struck by the pictures done by Alexandra for Venera Caprice, that they were just stunning, and they really spoke to me, and they were just so organic and just beautiful, and I thought they really embodied the island and the different parts of it. So I reached out through our concierge, but got an immediate response and was able to connect. I reached out and was able to get a hold of the creator. She was very welcoming. I ended up coming out and meeting with her immediately to discuss a potential design. I do a lot of diving and a lot of snorkeling. That's one of the main reasons we came here. And I love the ocean and everything in it. And I wanted to incorporate that into the ring. And there was just this wonderful back and forth on what I wanted, which seemed to really align with her style anyways, but she really listened to what I wanted and was able to offer such good input on how to make that happen. It was a great collaboration that encompassed the elements that I wanted, which was that sea life, the anemones and corals, and the pearl, which to me just was such an element of the island and really something significant on my trip. And she was able to put that all together in just something that was stunning and very meaningful. I was really nervous opening up the package. I wasn't nervous that I wouldn't like it. But just it's kind of like Christmas. You don't know exactly what you're going to get. And I trusted Alexandra, but it's still something new. And I was just blown away when I opened it. It was beautiful and it incorporated all of the elements that I wanted. And I trusted her and her vision to take what I wanted. So I was still surprised when I got to see it, which is also really neat, knowing that it's a true one-of-a-kind creation. Between the two of us. It was just really special. So I was blown away. It's gorgeous and I love it, and it's something that I'm going to treasure forever, and will always remind me of this trip and the island.